All right, you guys, I am so excited to show you guys this video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen the sponge wall, but this is my younger daughter's room, Zoe. She had been requesting a pink room and I wasn't going for it. If you know anything about me, my whole home is being painted in pure white by Sharon Williams. She chose this room originally because it had the duck wallpaper up there and it just had to go. And I found this really cool sponge wall on Instagram by the Instagrammer, I believe it's pronounced Kara Barad. I will tag her Instagram down below so that way you guys can see her tutorial. Oh my God, I can't talk as well. And I mean, it was really simple. It took me about an hour and a half to do it. And the supplies were, pretty basic. So you go to the store and you go get this sponge right here. This is the larger version. I like this better because it was thicker and I could see the color better than the little sponges that I had got originally. They were $1.58 and I got this Glidden paint from Home Depot. It was $9.98. This pink is beautiful. It's called Pink Flamingo and the sheen is in flat. My entire home is painted in matte, so flat, obviously, they're pretty much the same thing. So here I go doing the first row. I lost some footage because it was blurry, but you're just gonna stamp it, dip it, then stamp it, and you're gonna stamp it until you basically run out of paint. This creates a really cool variation in the pink without having to use different colors. Makes it 1,000 times simpler than having a whole bunch of trays with different colors. So you'll see me stamp and it gets lighter and then I'll go in, dip the paint and continue. And it's pretty much that simple. Honestly, I could have let my kids come in and help me, but I kind of have OCD and I was attempting to have perfectly straight lines, which at the end didn't really happen on one side of the window, but that's okay because this is really organic and you can make it your own. I found this wall to bring in just a ton of character, a ton of spunk into the room. The color was bomb. Just everything that I did, every choice that I made for this room came out perfectly. So just to get back on track with what's going on here, I'm gonna go ahead and do both the rows that go above the window so they can be lined up perfectly before I switch to just working one side at a time. It just made the most sense for me to do it that way in her room because the window takes up a huge chunk of the wall. So you'll see me working just on the left side. And you can get up close and personal, and you can see how cool the sponge effect really looks. People were asking me on Instagram in my DMs if I used a ruler on this, and no, I just really have OCD. Look at my sweaty forehead because it's so hot in Virginia and I had the window open. But I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the room when it's not all the way done. I had to get a clip of it. It just looked really, really awesome. And then I'm gonna bring you guys into the awesome, beautiful creation that is my sponge wall in Pink Flamingo. It looks so awesome. It still has those princess vibes. My style's a little boho lately, so it totally goes with that style. I think it would go with any style, farmhouse, glam. It's very beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys recreate this wall, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.